My name is Joe Adonnino, and I'm the Director of Environmental Services for Garnet Health. And my team's responsibility is to keep a clean and sanitized environment for all who enter, all our employees, and all our visitors. At Garnet Health, we've always had a high standard of cleaning and disinfecting at all our locations. Our mission is to provide an impeccable healing environment, which we constantly live up to. Since COVID-19 and throughout, we have fully trained our environmental services staff at all levels of isolation cleaning. At all our locations at Garnet Health, we have put in several measures to provide the highest safety environment possible. All our employees wear masks. All our entry points and key locations, there's hand sanitizer stations for all to use. We also have social distancing signage in our elevator cabs, in our waiting areas. We have plastic guards at triage locations, and we have provided an impeccable healing environment that is as safe as possibly can be. Above and beyond that, every night, every area is terminally cleaned, disinfected with a fogging disinfection process, which is safe, green, it's hydrogen peroxide based. One additional technology that we have been utilizing at Garnet Health to provide a higher level of disinfection is UVC light technology. We've had this technology in place here for close to 5 years now. We've added to our existing fleet, and now we are able to utilize this technology more frequently and consistently. At Garnet Health, we are 100% committed to providing you and your family a safe, healing environment.